Alright, not sure if there's an interest of another unboxing video of a Mobula6HDzero, but I picked up another one of these Express LRS version from a local hobby store. This will be an unboxing video and a quick video on how I converted a Mobula6 to a Mobula7 HDzero. It's pretty straightforward, but I figured I'd just run through how I did it. So I had the owner of the shop open this up for me and check ahead of time what type of gyros are built onto these ones, because you could get three different ones, either an MPU 6000, an ICM 2698, or a BMI 270. This one had a BMI 270, put Quicksilver on it, and it flies awesome. So I can attest to that gyro being good. I've tried the ICM version on a different build, not HDzero, and it was really hard to tune, so not a big fan of those ones. Anyways, this here is the Mobula6 HDzero. Comes with GemFan 12, what was it? Can't remember what it was again. 1210 biprops. The LRS antennas right here. The light camera on top. The Whoop Light VTX HDzero on the bottom. And it comes with EX0802 19,000 kV motors. Again, this probably not new to everyone else who's seen the unboxing videos from other reviewers, but I'm a Joe Schmo. It's a different take on it, so please bear with me, right? Comes with spare canopy. These are pretty durable. I've crashed this one a lot and it's held up very well. Stickers from Happy Mahler and Express LRS and the HDzero DiviMath team. In the bag, we got spare props, 4 spare screws. I'm not even sure what these are. Prop remover, and this is the harness you would plug into the VRX to upgrade the VTX on here. Now that the unboxing's out of the way, let's go about how I converted the Mobula6 to a Mobula7 HDzero. This is the GemFan 1610 biprops being used with the original Mobula6 like motor. Everything else here is pretty much the same except for the prop and maybe the connector and the frame. Now, out of the box, these Mobula6 HDzeros, they soldered the motor wires in such a way that it's curled, pointed inwards, and I don't know if you can see that here. This is probably a good example. Right there. It's going up and out. I had some people ask if they had to extend the wires to make it fit into this. You don't actually have to. What I ended up doing was desoldering all the wires off here and just straighten them out and soldered it right at the edge of the motor pads on the flight controller, like that one right there. That one. And it is actually long enough with slack for it to reach the motor holes here. You may have to reorder the wires here just for it to be long enough. Sometimes if it's like obviously if it's from the furthest edge here to that far corner here, it's not going to be long enough, right? I just moved it right here. But aside from that, it's got to be careful when you move the fit the motors through the frame here. Just make sure you don't force it through. You don't want to rip the wires. And aside from that, it's, you know, added some extra stuff. Lens protection I printed out here. Put some tape around here because I'm paranoid about damaging the soldered chips on here. But it flies great on a 75mm frame. I can highly recommend that. BT 2.0, I angled it like that just so I could use these types of lipos. I put it in here. If I didn't curl it, it would not be long enough to reach there, but now it's perfect. It's just long enough to fit. But yeah, I am looking forward to doing some more rebuilds, I guess, with this. I'll either keep it on a Mobula 6 frame for a bit, or I may even try fitting this in a Meteor 65 Pro, which have a 35mm prop size, just for that, you know, extra prop span. But we'll see how that goes. Hope you enjoyed that unboxing and build info video. If you have any comments or questions, please fill them in the bottom below in the comment section. And happy flying. See you soon.